Hey guys, welcome back to Drink, Eat, Sleep, Repeat. We are doing tips today and we're going to go through a couple of little things that people have got worrying them or don't know what to do or how to start or how to change things or products to use. So we're going to cover a couple of things in this little video and hopefully that will help you in the future when you are cooking with your Instant Pot. So here we have the Instant Pot. The first tip we're going to do is when you get that Instant Pot, open up and read the instructions. It's probably the first thing you should do. I know you think, oh, instructions, here we go. But it's got recipes, it's got ways to start, it's got great little tips in that himself, and it really does help you when you want to get started. So please read the recipe book. Our second tip is sealing and venting. You will notice this on the top of your Instant Pot. You have sealing and venting. Now, you have to have sealing to seal it. Now, it may sound obvious, but sometimes I've even done it. I put stuff in and then it's not cooking and you're wondering why. You're like, what's going on? But it is because you have not put it to sealing. Also on this tip, when it comes to a quick release, which you'll see in the manual and understand that is when you quickly turn this to venting, a lot of steam will come out and you might burn your hands on this, so do watch out. What I would suggest is get a little chimney, a little silicone chimney, you put it on the top, and when you turn that, it doesn't burn your hands and it works really well. There is a link in the description below. My third tip today is not to overfill your Instant Pot. Now you will notice there is your inside pan and there is a level where it says max. I would just go just a little bit below that by about an inch maybe or a couple of centimeters. Because otherwise it just won't cook and you'll be sitting there going, why is it not cooking, it's not working, and you'll just be getting stressed out. That is maybe a really good tip to think about when you're doing a lot of food for the family or when all your friends are around and that kind of thing. So I hope that one helps you. Tip 4, I'm going to talk to you about your sealing ring because sometimes these aren't connected properly, and this is the ring inside here. You see it's easy to take out and these can, sometimes these can be smelly, so you can put them in the dishwasher and then you just reapply it onto your lid. You can also get spare ones of these because we have got one here and a spare one here. I use this for when you're doing sweet stuff. So if you're doing savoury, cook with this one, and then we're doing some sweets or vice versa. It also gives you an idea of different colour, all that sort of thing, so you know which one you're using when you have to use it. You can also get these in the description below. So I hope that helps with your sealing ring, and make sure it's connected to keep it sealed and then your things will cook, so always do check that as well. Tip 5 is do not think that you can put this on the stove. Some people do to think they can heat things up. That's why we've got the saute on the Instant Pot. So I have heard of bad stories of people putting this on and ruining their inner pot. Also another tip as well, maybe a good idea to have 2 of these with a lid because you can then keep one in the fridge and cook with the other, so you've got 2. So it's always good when you're doing batches or big things or other things are coming up, families and friends, those kind of things coming around. So always a good one to have 2 of these. And you get that in the description below. Now cleaning this, I would use some bicarbonate of soda, sometimes a vinegar can work quite well if you want it a really deep clean. You can also use fairy liquid in the sink, that usually washes it quite well. I don't usually put this in the dishwasher, but you can. I generally used to do it manually by myself. And yeah, that's another good tip. So guys, that is our tips for today. I hope you enjoyed it. It's just a short video to let you know a couple of little tips of do's and don'ts and what to look out for in the future. If you want to find out more or really want to ask us anything, it'd be really good to hear what your comments are below. Please let us know. We would love to hear back from you guys, to hear your comments, and we can make more videos on tips and tricks or anything you've heard or things you want us to add or questions you might have or issues that are just ongoing and you can't do it, and we will get back to you on that. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and we will see you next time on Drink, Eat, Sleep, Repeat.